Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Info Riders. In this tutorial, we are discussing about basics of HTML. So let's get started. Before moving further, let us understand the full form of HTML. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language, which is used to build the web pages. Now let's discuss the syntax of HTML. Before that, you need to create files. Right click on the project, create a new file and save as with a .html extension. You can see that the name of the file appears here. Now the doc type in HTML tells the document type of the file. Now this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Closing tag always contains the forward slash in it. Whatever the code we write, it should be enclosed within these two tags. Now HTML tag has sub tags as header tag and another one is body tag. Head tag contains the meta information and the body tag contains, in the body tag, whatever you write in this, it will be displayed in the browser. Now head tag contains title tag, title tag is used to give the title for the browser, which is displayed in the search bar. For example, now I will give the title as my web page and I will save this file and I will right click, copy the file path. I will go to the Chrome and paste in the browser. You can see the title appears on the top, my web page. And now in the body tag, whatever you write, it will be displayed in the browser. For example, I will write as welcome to YouTube. Now save it and go to the browser and just refresh it. You can see that welcome to the YouTube is displayed in the browser. Similarly, you can write the whatever you need the information in the browser in the body tag. Thank you guys. In the next section, we are going to learn different types of heading tags, paragraph tag and the anchor tag, and we also learn how to add the images to the web pages. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section.